guys, so looking Total Parts Pro today with 2023 Volkswagen T-Roc, stock number 6956. This ran from the 3rd 2020 to the current shape. Has a DJKA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a DJKA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left-hand door mirror, left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory aluminum tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory aluminum tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch factory aluminum tyre, right front headlight, right front door car, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,